Hi viewers, welcome to Heal Your Soul. Thank you for watching. So today's topic is how to get back your ex. When I said how to get back your ex, it may be your partner, it may be your friend, it may be your ex-colleague, ex-co-worker, whoever. So mostly I can say you can consider it for your family, your partner or lover. Actually, I never recommend people to go back to their exes. I personally never recommend. Because whatever lessons you need to learn, you will learn. That's why you came out of that connections. Again, what is the meaning of going back to same old things? So I always suggest to people, if you have two choices, one is X, one is next, always choose next. Because X is like old book, you already read that book. You know the ending. Because you already read that book, you know what is the ending. So if you go back and read the same book, you will get the same ending. Until unless they upgrade it to other version. Until unless this book is upgraded to other version, they will do some changes, then they will get some other ending. Climax will be different. If the same old person, what is the use of going back again? Anyway, you are going to get the same result. At least if you go to next, you will find some new lessons. You will find some new experiences. You will find some new memories. You can make some new memories. You can live life in new way. That is the reason. I never recommend people to go back to their exes. There is a reason, because if they really became better version of themselves, they no more your ex. They are no more your ex. They will be in the place of your next. They won't be in the place of ex. If they won't change, they remain as the same person, then only they are in the place of your ex. If they become better, they will become your next, not your ex. So you need to decide they became your ex or next. It is not that you no need to accept the same person. That is what. Here I am talking about ex and next, not about the person. If someone changed them totally and they became better version of themselves, they can show you some different story to you, or they can give some new experiences, then you consider them as your next and go with them. Don't get back. Here don't come. This get back won't come. Get back will come to your ex only. That means they are remain in the same place. Then what is the use of going to same old ex? You are going to see the same movie, you will find the same climax. You are going to read the same story, you will find the same climax, same ending. That's why I never ever recommend people to go back to ex. If they really want you in your life, in their life, they will become better person and they will become as a next, not ex. You don't to go back. They will come and stand in front of you. That's how they will become next. I hope you got it. So someone asked me to do this video, one of my friend. I don't want to do it, but I thought let's see. It is a different topic. Even I am wondering what I will suggest or what I will get in these cards when we are doing But anyway, now also I'm telling same thing. Don't go back to your exes until unless they upgrade themselves, until unless they become a better person. Let them become a better person. Let them become your next instead of X. Let them add that N and T in that EX. Then only accept them. Or else move on, move forward. Everyone is having so many opportunities. Live your life in a new way. So anyway, choose one pile. It is a pick a card. So as usual, you need to choose one card. If at all you have so many excess, here 5 choices is there. If you have more than 5, better. You can watch all the piles for each person, one pile. Okay. So, but anyway, don't forget my suggestion. It is advice. Take it as an advice, not just suggestion. So let's move on to pile number 1. Who choose green pile? How to get back your ex. So pile number 1, who choose green pile, you are very much burdened as of now. Whoever choose pile number 1, you are very much burdened. So you are looking for ex, that means you are very much burdened with this, with that relationship. Ex means it's already ended. You felt very burdened with that relationship. That's why it became X. Or you felt that it is a very burdensome handling that person or handling that relationship or situationship. That became very burden to you. So I don't know why you are looking for how to get back your ex, because you already felt burdened. That's why it became X, I can say, based on this card. So anyway, you are asking, you are watching this reading, you need to free your burdens. If at all because of other responsibilities you leave that person, you ended that situation or relationship, before getting back to your ex, you need to come out of these responsibilities. Whatever burdened responsibilities is there are so many responsibilities on you. This is 10 of wands means so many responsibilities, so much burdened. You are fully burdened. You don't have time to anything because you are handling so much burden on your shoulder. So if at all you go with this burden, you cannot handle that person. In fact, you can't even start that relationship again. Your ex is not ready to take you, I can say, with the same burdens. First, you need to remove this burden. You need to come out of this burden. You need to end this burden. Whatever responsibilities you have, those things are those things became obstacle for this relationship. That's why that person became our ex. So to get them back in your life, you need to remove these responsibilities, remove these burdens, become free. You need to become free. How to get back your ex? You need to become free. You don't need to do anything to impress them and all those things. You need to become free. That is enough, because you are a very, very, very burdened person. You have a lot of burdens on your shoulders. You don't have time or space for that person or new persons, any new persons also, I can say, because with this lot of baggage you cannot continue relationships. If at all you want to move to new relationship also, not just ex, if you want next also, you need to remove these burdens. You need to come out of these responsibilities or burdens. You need to end this. Whatever burdens you have, you need to end these burdens. You need to become free. Then only you can get your XR next. File number 1. If you want your X or your next, first you need to become free from your burdens, because you are totally surrounded by or totally with your burdens, responsibilities, and those responsibilities became burden to you. Simple. Whatever responsibilities you are handling, it is not 1 or 2, it is 10 of wands. That means you have so many responsibilities, and those responsibilities are not just responsibilities, they became burden to you and your life. That is the reason you end up as a single person with a lot of burdens. So you forget about your ex, you can't even get your next. I don't want to disappoint you. I'm just telling the truth. You need to come out of these burdens. See, you don't need to take all the responsibilities. Yeah, who these responsibilities belongs to others, I can say, because one single person don't have all these responsibilities. So you need to learn how to give responsibilities to others. Simple way, don't take others monkeys on your shoulders. Here you are doing this, I can say. You are taking others monkeys on your shoulders. So if you want your XR next, simply give their monkeys so they can do whatever they want to do. So first, you don't put all monkeys on your shoulders. Okay, remove those monkeys. You keep only your monkeys on your shoulders. That's how you can become free. That's how you can get your XR next. At least if your X is not free, still you will have a chance to get next. But here, if you are with this burden, if you are taking all monkeys on your shoulders, you are not going to get anyone in your life. So take it in a positive way. File number 1, remove these burdens. This is not related to you. Simply, no one can have this many burdens here. Single person cannot have this many burdens. You are simply taking, that's what, you are handling all other monkeys on your shoulders. So give their monkeys to them. Definitely you will move forward. Here you are not even moving forward. With this burden, where you will move forward? With this burden, how you will move forward? If you get your next XR next also, how can you move forward with them? Did anyone accept you with these burdens? If at all you have plans to share these burdens, why they will take your responsibilities? Anyway, you are taking all monkeys on your shoulder. Why they will take your monkeys on their shoulders? Before entering the relationship, you need to think of everything. People simply think that we are a responsible person, we are taking all the responsibilities, we are doing so many things. That is not enough. Some person is coming into the relationship means they have their own expectations. So first remove these burdens. Stop thinking about your ex next. First you remove these burdens. Give these burdens to people who is real owner, original owner. Give this burden to the original owner. They will handle. You are not the only person who can handle all these things. Okay, give these burdens. Distribute this burdens to everyone who is the owner of these burdens. You will become free. You may be having 1 or 2 things. So then you can think about your XR next. I think you are a very good person. The only good person will take this kind of burdens. They want to help everyone. So meanwhile they will burden with lot of responsibilities. So come out of these responsibilities first. Let's move on to pile number 2, which is blue pile. How to get back your ex. So pile number 2, which is blue pile, lovers in the reverse. You made a wrong choice. This will come in different ways. Either I can simply say that whoever you are watching for your ex is not the right person for you. In simple, this ex is not meant for you. They are not your match. So getting back to your ex is no use. This ex is not meant for you. You may be having some other person. Maybe universe has someone else as your partner. Lovers is purely partner. So maybe you are feeling bad that you ended the relationship, but the thing is it happened for a good reason, because you maybe deserve someone better. Your ex maybe deserves someone better, or you people are not meant for together, I can say. It is not about good people, bad people. You, no matter how you people get aparted, whether you may be having fightings and all those things, differences, whatever. It is not about you are a good person, your ex is a bad person. It is not about your characters or mentalities. It is simply you people are not meant for together. Your ex is not meant for you. You are not meant for your ex. As simple as it is. No matter how many good memories you may share, no matter how much good time you may spend, maybe that is for time being. Maybe you need to learn something from them. They need to learn something from you. That is why you are in the union for some time. These lover cards is a very beautiful card. They are like soulmates. But if at all they are your ex is your soulmate also, they are in your life to teach you some beautiful lessons. Really, it is a very beautiful lessons. It is not bad lessons. It is a very beautiful lessons which can lead you in your life in a good place, or which can help you to become a better person, a good person. So you people are not meant for each other. So getting back your ex is no meaning in that, I can say. So forget about it, okay? So accept it, accept the reality. If at all you are not accepting the reality, accept the reality. If simply you are watching for time pass, it is okay. But if at all you are really thinking about your ex and you are not moving forward, you are not entertaining anyone in your life, you just closed your heart chakra, you are blocked your heart chakra, you are not imagining, or you are not ready to imagine someone, some other person as your partner and all those things, stop doing that. Stop doing that. You will be having very better future, because when universe select the partner for us, there will be best partners, because they know what we deserve and desire. They know what we deserve or desire. Their choice will be best choice. Universe choice will be best choice. So stop doing that if at all you are doing that. Be free, enjoy your life, move forward in your life. When the time is right, you are going to meet your partner. Okay, you will be happy, you will be having very happy life. So don't feel bad or sad about this, about your ex, I can say. They are not meant for you. Simple, they are not meant for you. You are going to get a good person, better person. It is not that your ex is not a better person. That's what, you don't get misunderstood again. Okay, simply they are not meant for you. You may be having something better. So again I am telling the better. Okay, maybe I am getting that. See, file number 2, again and again I am telling better. Maybe this person is not better for you. Maybe there is someone better than this. I don't want to criticize anyone actually. Everyone is better in their own way. Everyone is unique in their own way. So that's why I don't want to compare people. But here I am getting that message again and again. That's why I am telling you. So you may be deserve better person in your life. Your ex may be deserve more better person in their life. That is the reason. You people are not meant for each other. So let's move on to file number 3, which is red file. How to get back your ex. So file number 2. First you need to be courageous. Maybe because of your low self-esteem, low confidence level, you lost this person. That's why they became your ex. You need to show your courage. You need to show your strength. That's how you can get back your ex. You have that ability. Maybe you lost it. So you need to be strong. Strong person, I can say. You need to be strong person. You need to have that self-confidence or that courage. You need to show some courage. That's how you can get back to your ex. Get back your ex. Maybe because of your confidence or that's what confidence. Maybe you may lost your confidence. Because of that, your relationship may be ended. Because of that, you lost that person. So you need to show courage. You need to be a strong person. You need to show that courage, or you need to become a courageous person. You need to take that courageous steps to get back your ex. You have that courage. It is not that you are a weak person. You suddenly need to become a courageous person. You have that ability. But the thing is, as of now, you are not showing that courage. You are not feeling that strong. That's what you have some self-esteem issues, I can say here. You may be having low self-esteem issues or self-confidence issues. You need to work on yourself. That's how you will get your ex back. That's why I said you need to become a better person. Then only you will become next, not ex. You will become next, then your ex will get you. So, pile number 3, who chose red pile. If you want to get back to your ex, you need to become a better person. You need to leave all this low self-esteem, low self-confidence, self-doubt, whatever issues you have. You need to work. It is inner strength. You need to have that inner strength. You need to get that courage to take charge. That's how you can get this person back into your life. If you become that seriously here, if you work on yourself, if you get this strength back in your life, you no need to go to your ex. You will become their next, and your ex will come to you. I hope you are getting. Here you are watching the reading how to get back your ex. If you become a better person, you no need to go back to your ex. Your ex will come to you. So it is like you no need to chase them. You will attract them. You need to do your inner work. That's what. Don't chase them. Here you are chasing them. Simply you lost everything. No self-esteem, no self-confidence. There is a lot of self-doubt. You don't believe in yourself. How can you get your ex? You need to believe in yourself. You need to do some inner work. You need to do inner work. If you do your inner work, you get back your inner strength. You will find out your inner strength. You will become a strong person. You will become a very courageous person, or you get back to that. You get back your self-confidence. Then you no need to chase your ex. You will attract them. Your energy, your vibration will attract them automatically. So you no need to chase. Here you are chasing your ex. Don't chase. Attract people. Okay? Don't chase people. If you chase, they will become runner. You will become a chaser, they will become a runner. If you chase your ex, they will become runner. They will run from you. Run away from you. Attract people. Don't chase. So pile number 3, work on yourself. You need to work on yourself. You need to get back your confidence. You need to get that strength, inner strength. You lost it. That's why they became your ex. If you feel like a weak person, no one will accept you. Even our own family. Should we have... See, you don't need to be strong to save all the world or save people around you. At least you should be in a position where you can protect yourself, where you can save yourself. That inner strength is very important. You don't need to become a Superman batsman kind of things. You need to protect yourself. You need to know your value. You need to know your worth. That's why you need to do this inner work to get that courage, get that strength, get that self-confidence. It is important. Everyone should have that. That's why we call it a self-confidence. Self, it should come from us. You are dealing with a lot of insecurities. With these insecurities, if you get your ex back also for doing some different things, manipulations and all those things, again they will run away. That's what it will become, runner and chaser. You will chase them, they will run away. You will chase them, they will run away. This is what happened. Work on yourself. Forget about your ex. Work on yourself. It is not difficult. Working on yourself is not difficult. You just need to concentrate on yourself. You just need to give time to yourself. You just need to care for yourself. Once you understood and once you start recognizing your worth, your energy will change. Your vibration will change automatically. That not just that person, people around you, whoever will be there, they will get attracted to you, to your energy, to you. Then you no need to care about your ex, whether they come or not. You will be having so many choices or so many options around you. So work on yourself. Forget about your ex. Let's move on to pile number 4, which is yellow pile. How to get back your ex. So how to get back your ex? Pile number 4. I don't think you need to get back this person in your life. They left out you in the cold. They left you in the cold. They leave you in a very bad situation. The situation where they need to help you. The moment when you need their help. That moment they left you. Or it is a very bad card, 5 of Pentacles. Someone leaving someone in a cold place. Actually, these people need help. In this situation, the person, whoever you are watching the text, left you. So really, you really want that person back. The person who left you when you most needed them. Think about it, because maybe you may be having so much attachment, emotions. Maybe that relation is with strong attachments. You may be showed unconditional love, true love, but that person is not the right person, I can say. Because they left out you in the cold. They left you in a very bad position. You don't need to get that person back. You have so many opportunities. Maybe no matter how bad your situation may be, how bad your situation may be looking externally or internally, how bad you may be feeling, you have help around you. You can get help from others. Come out of this situation, because they left you in a very, very, very bad position. If you already came out of this position, congratulations, and don't go back to that motherfucker. Leave him, left them as an ex. Don't take them back. If they come also, don't take them back. If you are in the same place where they left you, you have so many people around you who can help you to come out of this place. If it happened recently and still you are stuck in the same place where they left you, take help from others. You just need to ask them. You will get help from others. People around you are ready to help you. You take help from others and come out of this situation. You will be having a very bright future. You don't need to sit and cry for that ex. Forget about that person. Join their name in dead people list, I can say. We need to add their name in dead people list. Such kind of people deserve that place, not in our life. Don't go back to your ex. They are not a good person. No matter how situation ended, but they left you in a very, very, very bad situation where you need their help. In that situation, they left you. That's why I'm telling you. Don't take them back. If they come also, don't entertain them in your life again. You have so many people around you, you just unable to see because of that sadness. If at all you came out of this place already, well and good. If it is happened recently, you still stuck in this place, there are people around you who can help you to come out of this place. Just ask for help. They will help you. You can come out of it. You can start your life in a new way. You don't need to go back to your ex. So let's move on to pile number 5, which is white pile. How to get back your ex. So pile number 5, which was white pile. How to get back to your ex. I think you are putting a lot of efforts to get back to this person. You need to stop doing it. Maybe whatever needed, you done it already. But still you are. You need to stop putting efforts or wasting time, I can say. Whether you get them back or not, it's a different thing. Sometimes what will happen is like we put a lot of efforts. We show a lot of love or care, or it will become obsessive in one way or other way when you are doing things overdoing, I can say here. For you it looks like you are doing hard work. For them it looks like you are getting obsessive or you are getting clingy to them. So that's how they run from you. Maybe this is the reason why they run away from you. You do, or you put lot of efforts. You don't give them chance to show their love to you. You are the one who is putting efforts here, and that is also overly you're putting your efforts more than what is required in the current situation. So this you need to stop. Maybe because of this reason you lost that person, or your relationship maybe ended because you are overdoing the things. So you need to stop doing this. You will get them or not, that's a different thing, but stop putting the efforts. Whatever you already in the past also you did the same thing. You keep on putting the efforts. It make them uncomfortable or overwhelming. Because of that they run away, I can say. And here you are feeling tired. It is not tired, like you are ready to put more efforts. You are like you want to do, or you are ready to do anything to get this person back. Or at least in the relationship also, I think you did everything or anything to keep them in this relationship or keep them with you. And so for that, whatever needed to be done, or you did more extra, overdoing, which made them uncomfortable. Or they felt that you are clingy towards them. like you made them to feel like to stay in that relationship is like overwhelming to them, because you simply keep on putting efforts, showing your hard work, and doing things which are not really required, because now whatever relationship it is, it should be happen both sides. I think in your situation you are the one who is doing the things to keep this relationship or situation, whatever it is. You are the person who is making efforts, not the other person. Now also I think you are doing things. I don't think they want you in their life. So how to get back means, I can say that stop doing whatever you are doing to get back this person. Better you put these efforts, hard work, time in other things. Change your focus, I can say. Whatever hard work you are doing, really a lot of hard work you are doing, I accept that. It is a good thing, but the thing is here, maybe because of your over hard work or over caring, over love, or overly available to someone, which made this relationship be toxic. You felt that you are putting a lot of efforts, and you felt that you are doing a lot of hard work. That person felt that you are becoming more to them, which they cannot handle. Now also you are doing the same thing. If you continue doing this, you will be like, it will become threat to them. They feel you as a threat because they don't want you. Or it is not that they don't want you or not. Just stop showing this hard work, or stop putting these efforts. Put this time, efforts, energy into other area of your life, I can say. Change your focus. Whatever hard work, time, efforts you are putting to get this relationship back or to get this person back, change all these things. Change your focus to something else. If you have career, change your focus to career and put all these efforts, time, hard work into your career. You will become something in your career. Then you want it or not, this person will there's a chances that you can attract this person. Here you need to put these efforts on yourself, not on the relationship, I can say. I accept that you are really doing a lot of hard work. You ready to do whatever it takes to get them back. But the thing is, whatever your efforts you are putting, please use that efforts, energy, hard work to your career or to make yourself a better person, I can say. Because don't stop putting all these efforts on something else. As of now, at least as of now, time being, it is not going to work out. You are going to spoil it more. So stop putting it. Stop doing whatever hard work you are doing. Stop doing it. Change your focus. You don't need to start some new relationship. Just change your focus to some other things, your hobbies, your passions. Pursue your passions. If you have career, spend more time on that career. Become something in your career, or become better person of yourself. For time being, you need to stop putting efforts on this relationship, because if you continue this, you are not going to get them back. They feel more overwhelmed, or they feel that you are disturbing them one or other way because they don't want it, and you are ready to do anything to get that back. This is a problem in relationship. If some other person not wanting it, give them some time. Nothing wrong in that. Don't push them. That is how they become runners. You become chasing. Concentrate on yourself. Concentrate on other things in your area, in your life, other areas of your life, so that you will become a better person. You will be having a very good career. You will grow in some other area of your life. Definitely love will come. Don't go anywhere in this person or in other way. So thank you for watching. For more readings, you can like and subscribe. For personal readings, you can mail me. You will find the details in description box.